Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to create a row-level security RLS policy for a table in Supabase. First, open your web browser and visit the Supabase website. Once there, log into your account and click on the dashboard button in the top right corner. Next, select your organization and then choose the project you want to work on. After that, hover over the left sidebar to expand it and click on the table editor option. Once you're in the table editor panel, select the table you want to add an RLS policy to. Next, click the button that says Add RLS Policy. On the policy page, click the Create Policy button at the top of the table. First, enter the policy name, then select the table for which you want to add the policy. Next, choose the policy behavior, either permissive or according to your needs. After that, select the SQL command to run the policy. You can also specify the target role from this input. Then, write the SQL code for the policy. You can even utilize ChatGPT or any other AI tool to help you generate this code. Paste the code into the provided box. Finally, click the Save button to save the policy. As you can see, we have successfully created the RLS policy for a table. Additionally, you can edit or delete the policy by clicking the three-dot button. That's how you create an RLS policy for a table in Supabase. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content.